Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, well, if you're new in this channel, you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some very good oil that you're going to mix together, that you have to just store it and use it. If you're actually beginning to develop wrinkles, is going to serve. If you're actually beginning to develop fine lines, is going to help. If you're actually beginning to see some stretch mark on your skin, on your thigh, your breasts, is going to help. Okay, so this natural home remedy would work so well, like so well. So give it a try. Okay, if you want to know what oil they are, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and leave your comments below. Now let's dive into this video. Now the first oil we're going to be needing for this anti-aging remedy is going to be coconut oil. Now coconut oil is a vast remedy. It helps so much for the skin. It goes deep into the skin, it polishes up the skin, it removes wrinkles, fine lines and pigments. Okay, and then vitamin E oil. Now vitamin E oil contains astringent property, and it's rich in vitamin E, which creates a glow on the skin, and it also helps to revert dullness, dryness. So at first I'm going to be putting in, as required anyways, you just have to put in equal amount of all of this oil, but for the vitamin E oil, just 1 teaspoon is going to be enough, not too much. And then the castor oil, half teaspoon should be enough, because this oil is very thick and you're not going to be having stretch mark when you're always using this oil. And then we're going to be putting in some olive oil. About 1 tablespoon of olive oil will be enough. Okay, if you have carrot oil or tea tree oil, you can actually add it up. Now I have a tea tree oil here, so I'm going to be adding up tea tree oil to this to give me that scented smell. About 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil is okay. So now we're just going to be mixing it all up, mixing the whole oil. And you can just store this oil, because if you have this particular oil, then you're good to go. I can as well just give this oil away as a giveaway, but the problem I'll be having is the location. You know, in which I would have to send the oil, okay, because it's gonna work for removing stretch marks and it's going to be so great. Alright guys, so you use this oil on your face, okay? I mean, look at how thick the oil is. So thick, so thick, and it smells really nice too. Oh my god, it creates a lot of glow on the skin, enough glow. So I'm gonna also be using it on my face. Alright, so here is my anti-aging spots remover oil. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now you can actually use this for stretch marks. You can use it for wrinkles. Now when you want to use it, you have to, like for me, this thing I can just press it and it comes out. Simple. So I don't have to dip my hand in it and get it out. So I'll apply it onto my face. I need more of that. Oh my god, there's nothing like moisturizing your face with some good oil. Okay, it leaves your face so toned up. You need this oil. Well, I'm supposed to like do a giveaway for this oil, or maybe make a bigger one and do a giveaway, but the problem I will be having is the the distance. If you're in Abuja, if you're in Nigeria in Abuja and you need the oil, let me know at my Instagram, so I could, know how to send it to you. I honestly don't know how to send it because, well, that's it. So what you do is that you apply this oil whenever you're done removing the dirt on your face, scrubbing and toning. Then you can use this oil and then moisturize your face. Your face is not going to be experiencing any wrinkles, like all of those things here. Nothing is gonna be there. Your skin is just gonna be so super duper glowing, and you're gonna be loving the result because it's gonna be really nice. And also don't forget to moisturize your lip also when you're doing that with the same oil, okay, so that your lip is gonna look really pinkish. All right, anyway, that's it guys. I hope it works for you, because we have different types of skin. We have the combination skin, the normal skin, the oily skin, the sensitive skin, the dry skin, and we just have different skin types. Okay, so I hope it works for your kind of skin. Okay guys, so that's it. Use this oil every evening, apply it on your face, massage it first, okay, and you're going to see a huge result, like a huge difference, okay, and you're going to love your skin because it's going to maintain moisture on your skin. That's basically what the skin need. If your skin is getting enough moisture, I mean your skin is going to glow. So that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and also don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and bye guys.